Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here, and yes, I have gotten another Amazon wishlist gift, which is really, really nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna be honest, and I thought that this was something that I ordered a long time ago that still hasn't come from Amazon. Even though it said Prime, I'm dumb, I don't have Prime, so I don't know why I thought that. But I was really excited because, yeah. Anyways, I'm still gonna open this for you guys on camera, even though I did already see it. So I'm really sorry for like ruining the surprise, but I'm stupid. Yeah. So all right, what's inside? Ah, bam! Wow! It's these Pentel Arts Aqua brush. So. They come in 3 different sizes, and these are like a better quality than the ones that I got in the Koi watercolor set, so really excited to use these and learn how to use water brushes a little bit better. And so let's read the gift receipt. Hi Victoria, just a little gift to make your day a little brighter. Kym and Rhian. You guys are so nice. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. I can't believe that you guys support me on Patreon and also send me gifts. It's so nice. Oh, I really appreciate it. Anyways, I'm sorry if that was not a super interesting video to watch. Very short, but I'm always going to upload these unboxing, like gift unboxings to YouTube, so sorry if people get annoyed about that, but I'm not gonna stop. If people are gonna be generous to me, I want, you know, them to be able to see me opening it, so it's always gonna be a thing. Sorry if it's been a lot on my channel right now, but yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching that video, and a special thank you to all of my patrons, Ezsithyn, Jay, Artemystik, Kym Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. Thank you guys so much. It means the world to me that you support me. If anybody else is interested in supporting me on Patreon, the link is below. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you have a good day, because I'm having a great day. Bye, you guys!